Hi, this is Taz. Welcome to my channel and thank you for being here. Today we have the usual lineup as always every Sunday on the Fluid Art Express. You'll find the full lineup and the playlist down below in my description box. After me will be Venom Fluid Art. So what I have for you today is a reverse flower dip using a cup, and this is a technique that was championed by Fiona Art. I will be using colour art pigments and a cool colour palette for this particular flower dip, and it'll be on a black base. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get down to the paint table. Hi everyone, so we've got a couple of things here. Flower cup, 20 by 20 centimetre canvas that's been taped at the back. And my colours, which I'll go through in a minute. I've got oxide black mixed with my pouring medium, which is glue and water. I'm going to actually pop this onto my canvas to begin with as my base coat. So let's do that to begin with. Okay. And I will just smooth that over. I'll do the sides of any bubbles. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to get my dessert cup and then pop it on top. Try and get the center if I can. Okay, and I'm going to start with the colours. So I've got a lot of colour art pigments. This is gold diamond, and I'm going to start with that. A little bit of that to begin with. I'll wait to see it trickle down. And then I'm going to use Sky Blue Topaz, and this is an Extreme Sheen by Deco Art. I'm going to pop that on top. Pop that back. And then we have Blinket Chalcedony, lovely lilac colour with a shimmer to it. I'll pop that on top of there. And next up is another Extreme Sheen from Deco Art. This one is called Sapphire on Ice. And then we have Dolphin Stone. And then we have a little bit of Angel Wing. And this is a TLP. And then I'm going to lift up my cup and turn it. I'm going to go through it all over again. A little bit of this, which is gold diamond. And then again, Sky Blue Topaz. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of this copper in. This is Pebble copper on the top. A little bit. And then a little bit of this gold. This is Precious Gold by Pebble. And a tiny bit of this Amsterdam white in the middle to see if we get any cells. This is Cell Activator with Australian Fruit Oil. Don't want too much of that, so maybe a little bit more at this end. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to rub down on it. Okay, so I'm going to lift this cup up now and take it away. I'm going to put the torch over it. I'm now going to get my skewer on the thicker end of this. And before I do that, I'm going to add a little bit of orange in the middle. Well, I'll start with actually the gold. A little bit of yellow actually. Okay, that was some Royal Nickel Primary Yellow, and I'm going to put a little bit of orange in. This is Amsterdam Azure Orange. Okay, just going to use a skewer now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is spray my napkin. So I'm just going to spray my napkin. This is my napkin. I'm going to place it over this. Okay, so I'm now ready to lift off. Okay, so I'm ready to lift. I'm going to lift the corners up. And it's a small napkin, so I guess it's not going to work as well. Okay, so this is what it currently looks like. Okay, so I'm going to spin it out a little bit, see if it moves. It is rather thin on the ground in terms of paint. Oh, it is getting bigger. This is how it's looking currently. It's very, very interesting, isn't it? Really pretty, different. I wasn't sure if I'd actually see. We've got the edge coming off here, so I'm going to stop. I wasn't sure if I was going to see any of the pigments show up, so I'm just going to add some bits in the middle. I'm probably going to use a bit of yellow, because there's some yellow in the middle anyway. I want to see how big this looks. Too small, but I'll pop some on anyway. I want to try taking some oranges off. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it currently looks like. I'll take you in for a closer look. There's a lot of shimmer in this, beautiful colour up pigments. Most of those colours were bling it or primary elements, most of them were bling it pigments, apart from those red and yellow dots in the middle. What do you think? Interesting, there weren't many folds, but I do like the petals and I love the colour.